Priyanka Chopra is a very busy girl nowadays, from her multitasking act at the IFA Awards to the release of her upcoming third single, I Can't Make You Love Me, and the upcoming biopic based on the ace boxer Mary Kom. Well, the girl is dovetailing, and how? So the girl of the moment was caught up by our correspondent Manisha Meheldar all the way in Tampa Bay.
Well, joining me is the live buyer herself, Priyanka Chopra. And how are we doing this, Saifa?
We're excited. We are. I'm actually really stressed out right now.
Jet lag?
No, I actually don't jet lag. मैं हर महीने में 2 बार तो अमेरिका आती हूँ. तो मेरी body ने तो give up कर दिया है कि body is like just forget it. There's no point of saying also I'm jet lagging. But no, I'm really excited about this Saifa. I'm doing a lot of exciting, interesting things, and it should be fun.
And we obviously hear that there'll be a session with Kevin Spacey. So tell us all about it. What is it going to be?
Well, it's a Bollywood versus Hollywood sort of in conversation with me and him. And I mean, I love House of Cards, I think. And besides House of Cards also, I think Kevin Spacey is an amazing actor. So I think it's just going to be, me talking about Indian cinema and him talking about American cinema and the differences and the commonalities and all of that.
What else? After IFA is over, does Priyanka plan to go out in Tampa Bay and enjoy herself?
No, I can't actually. As soon as the show is over, I have to fly back to New York. My single, which just released, I Can't Make You Love Me, it released about 2 days ago.
Hearing all about it.
Thank you. I have, I hope, good things.
Yes, 2 days, and already I've been hearing that you've been getting great reviews for it.
Yes, I have. And it went #1 on iTunes in India, so I'm very happy. But we have a premiere for the video in New York, which is this... I mean, nobody premieres videos, but अभी मैं actress हूँ, मेरे को आदत है, क्या करूँगा? कि हमारी फिल्मों का video का क्यों नहीं होगा? So I just wanted to do it differently, and so we're showcasing it in New York on 28th and at Tribeca Grand, and so the video comes out I think 30th or the 1st. So this will be like a sneak peek. So I have to go back to New York, then I have to go to LA because we're doing another release there. So it'll be
busy.
And then,
My God, multitasking. I mean, all work, no play for Priyanka.
I play with work.
Okay. Lastly, okay, of course, who are you voting for? Are you biased towards particular actors who have been nominated this year?
Well, I'm not really biased towards any actors, but I do think I know who are my choices for this year's Best Actor and Actress. I think it should be Farhan and Deepika, and I think they will get the awards. I think.
Okay, and of course you have finished shooting for Mary Kom, and we all are anxiously awaiting. And of course, I'm not going to mention it, but it's quite obvious from her cut sleeves. But but tell me how is it shaped up?
Shaped up.
Quite literally.
It's been great. It's been very difficult. I didn't think it would be so difficult getting into it because हम लोग जब workout करते हैं and everybody, the media also talks about it. Oh, this actress has worked out. We've lost so much weight. This, that. This is not that. I had to bulk up. I had to become bigger. I had to put on muscle. I had to put on, and as a woman, our disposition is only not like that कि हम muscular बन सकते हैं जिस तरह लड़के कर सकते हैं, So I didn't think it would be that hard. It took me 5 months before both schedules. We finished the film in 2 schedules, one last year, one this year. And it's been tough. I had to learn an entirely new sport, which was also difficult. And I'm a completely non-athletic person, so that was...
No one can say that.
Now I'm not anymore. So you can't say it because I'm not. Okay. It's been broken.
Okay.
Now I am an athlete, a fake one, but I am.
All right, but lovely talking to you, Priyanka, as always, and have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.